Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to download or install Gemini application on your PC. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in gemini.google.com and hit the search and click on that first link. Now guys, you'll be taken to the search bar of Gemini. Now you can see the three dot button at the top right of your screen. Just click on that button. And over here you can see the save and share button. Just click on that and just click on create shortcut button. From over here you can choose the name. I'm choosing as it is, and just click on the open as window button and just click on create. See guys, your Gemini application has been installed on your PC. Now guys, you can ask any questions from this application. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for our latest video, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.